Strutmasters has gone bananas, I tell you. We got a 2020 Silverado in the shop, 3/4 ton. Now, I could say it like they say it in the South, a Silverado, because you just remember the Chevy Silverado is the truck to have. Now, if you want to go cheap and just run bags in the Schrader valve, right here on the back of the bumper is your Schrader valve. But this guy went a little bit further than that. He went full tilt motor boogie. Up here, we've got our solenoids. That's the heart of the operation. It tells it to go up, down, all around. You've got your bags. Now this thing drops down at least 7 inches. So you got some travel. Over here is your bag. Your tank. This is the tank. It ain't no bag. This is your tank. It contains all the air. All of the fittings, stainless steel, DOT approved. The lines, DOT approved. Right over here is our battery box. This whole kit is self-contained. It's 100% bolt-in. You need basic hand tools to set it in. All the hardware is grade 8. All the bolts, like I said, grade 8. All the nuts, Nylox. No need for lock washers. Keep that in mind. Basic hand tools needed. Now, you've seen underneath. So let's go inside and check out the accoutrements inside. Right here is your tank. And that is your quick disconnect. If you want to air up your friend's tire because he's got a flat, you could be a nice guy. Boom. Airline, fill him up. All right, here's your gauge. This is the business end of it all. Now, what happens is this when you first start the truck, you get voltage and then it switches to PSI. Then you have a kill switch and your dump valve. Right here's the dump valve under the gauge. Just a little further back is the kill switch. And that's all you need to make this baby work. One more. That, ladies and gentlemen, is what they call an e-ticket ride.
If you haven't ordered your product, give one of our suspension experts a call at 866-597-2397. And be sure to like Strutmasters on Facebook for the latest news and information.